Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up and install StackFood multi-restaurant in your hosting. This part is only how to read the web app. It's separate with the mobile app. Okay, let's start. At first, we have to extract our code file here. Just see. We have one folder called user app and web. This for Android, iOS and web release app in here. The one zip file for new install, and the one update for if you previously install an older version. You just upload this and extract it. That's that all file. Okay, let's how we make it. At first, I have my domain here. Be sure you have to use it with the SSL certificate. Okay, you see. This as my in my case, I will use my domain as the place where customer come to select the service, just like book, food, delivery, everything, just for the customer. So I will add the admin panel inside. So I will make another subfolder on my cPanel. Sorry, I use here is direct admin. You can use your own. I create here a subfolder called food. You can use it or connect with subdomain, whatever. Okay, let's get inside the food folder, and now I upload my new install here. As I see, for VPS or hosting with cPanel or anything else, it's okay, no problem. I try a lot, but it's okay. Now we extract here. All the file goes here. Okay, we will go through it. Here's my subfolder. You have to prepare your database credential, and then we will start. I make already. In this, you have to make sure that you have the PHP version is 7.4 or higher, but the best is 7.4. The curl enable and the permission for a few files. When you see all the check with green, it means that is fine. And now let's go ahead. Include page calls, and now the database localhost. I already create, so I will go through it. Okay, this means that everything fine, and then we will make an import to our database. Okay, then we'll make some small setting up here. So let's try password. continue. All done. There's a website front end here. It's not your place where customer book service. It's just a page. And then you see here, it's the page customer can go to via the just like download the app from App Store, Google Play, or browser web. But the main is for our partner restaurant can walk through here and register their service. They will update in the future. Then when partner can register, we will go to the admin panel. Okay. Go to your business setup. Make sure that maintenance is off, and then you will good to go. You see here your map is not working. It means that the map API is not included, so we have to include the Google Map API here in the web app setting. Please try your own APIs and then we can go to it. You can change whatever you want in here. Okay, we make a test first. Okay, let's try with make a new zone. We have to add new zone to add the restaurant inside. No zone, it means no, it's not working. Make a test. New Delhi. Coordinate. You see in the map here there's a hand and the drawing area, so you can choose the drawing area to draw area when you want the service to be. Okay, add new zone. Try to add new demo restaurant. VAT and tax at your country. Okay, logo zone New Delhi. It means that the restaurant have to inside a zone. Latitude of it's a address of the restaurant, so you can put wherever you want. It will show here. Cover. The phone number have at least 10. They just for demo, so don't have to worry about it. Okay, then we're done here. Now let's take a look at the other path. We will deploy the web app. You see in here we have the app, user app and web in this folder. Open your Android Studio and open the folder that include our code here. For the first time, it will add to enable that support. We're working with Flutter and we need to enable that support, so it will set up our environment. In the left panel is all the code about project, so open your pubsec yum here and we make it run first, you can put here pubget button or try to use the terminal down there. The terminal you will use the command flutter pub run. Sorry, flutter pubget. All the button here is okay, no problem. Okay, it means that all the code working fine until now. The problem is we have to connect our app to our admin panel. So I'll open this lib folder, util and file app constant.dat. Here in the ninth line you see the base URL. Change it to your admin URL. In the last step, we install it in this domain. Just copy it to this base. Someone make this slot at the end, it will not work. Make sure that you remove it, because the API already have the slot and you don't need to put it here. The map API key you have to input here to show it. Try your own API, because if you use my API it will not work. It won't work yet, of course. The app name, there's a few places to you have to add. The map API key is in the project Android app shook main and the Android manifest API. Also in the web folder index, there's the API here. We close. Now we have to change our package name. Right click on your shortcode and replace. Find some com dot just like default. Copy it to this place and change to your package name. Just remember that this we'll use for our future work in how we needed to upload it to Google Play service and file store something. Replace so. Okay. Now after this, we can change some design. It's in your lib folder. Theme, you can change your theme color. There are two theme, dark and light. You can open one and change to color what you want. Here there's the primary color or the other color. You can just choose color and then choose your desired color. It's okay. Close it. And in your app constant file, at the end you have your language here. You can input new language with your own. For example, copy and paste a new line. You can arrange it to change the order of the language. For example, I will create new one like Spanish. SP or whatever, I don't remember about it. Okay, look at the image. This class image will connect to another file image that in util. So we have to make a small change in here with the new string, Spanish string. Okay, open lib and util image that. You see here in the line 8 there's English. We copy it here and make a new one. The string change to Spanish or your language, and the image name. You can create your own and change it here, just like the flag image. Make sure the flag image have to inside the asset image folder in here, asset here, and image here. You can make the flag image and put it here, and change some logo icon in here also. Just for example, this logo, you can change it. Okay. Also in your asset folder, there's a folder called language. You can make your own language in here. Right click on the language folder and new file, your language code, just the same in your app constant.json. Open the end file and copy all the data and paste it in your new language, and then you change all the green text here. Then you will have own language in here. That's all. Okay. Now we will make a release for the web app. Open your terminal in here, and we will make a small command line. Flutter WEBAPP, and we make it a web renderer to HTML language. Web renderer HTML and a release. Okay. We will wait for a few minutes, depend on your machine, and then it will compile our code. Just remember that this web folder in the main project is not what we upload to our hosting. It's not. It will be in the next one. It depends on your machine. It will compile fast or not. But actually, it will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, when you see compiling here for the web, it means that it's already done. Take a look at your project folder, and you have a new folder called build. Open it. There's a web folder. All the code inside is what we will ship and upload to our hosting. Okay, now open File Explorer and open that folder, view folder, web folder, all in here. We will ship it. Then upload it to our hosting. Back to the main folder of the domain. Upload it. You see I have here the food folder for admin panel. It's not for web. I drag here. Okay. Now let's test. Just remember you have to use the SSL protocol in here. Okay, everything fine here. Let's take a test. I already make a new zone, new daily in the admin panel, and now we will set in this zone. Okay, our demo restaurant already shown up here. It means that all finished and it's successful. Okay, that's so. If you have any misunderstand or something else you want to add, just keep me your detail and then we will discuss together. And if someone needs the other thing, we will talk it in the next demo, next video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.